Well, I think the GitHub thing is working, so here, let's see here. This is my booter object. Taco Tuesdays. I'm gonna save that. So when I saved it, that turned red. So now when I commit, it knows which one has changed. And let's test Taco Tuesdays, even though it's Friday. And then here we have a change, and it says Taco Tuesdays right there. So yeah, I mean, I think this thing is real. I think if I go to GitHub and log in, oops, yeah, it's because I two of them got deleted because, well, frankly, yeah, game 2 test, let's take a look. Okay, I don't see my 7th commit. So does that mean I have to push something here? Push origin? Pushing to origin? Okay, and does that mean this gets an update now? Where's my sync button? Is this, yeah, this is the sync button, right? So, maybe I just refresh this. Yeah, there it is. So I refreshed it, 8th test, Taco Tuesday. Okay, well, it's gonna be in here somewhere, right? Boot, object booter, 8th test, Taco Tuesday, yeah. If I click on this, whoops, that's not the right one. Right, okay, Taco Tuesdays. Okay, cool, so all this code does update when I need it to, I think. Wait, what? Hold on, where's my chat? There it is. Oh, hi Pig. I finally set up the GitHub source control for my code. Surprise. Har har. I like juice. Okay. So let's see here. Pop these down. I think that'll work. Alright, anyways, we don't need to have this Taco Tuesdays thing here anymore. And we've proven a point. Yeah, so what's on the agenda today? So I think now, if we run through the game, mostly because I want to protect myself from breaking my own project. My dog Mouse. Yeah, so the code is public though. But that's because because I'm too poor at the moment to afford a private license. I don't really think that I'm noticeable or famous enough or even a good enough programmer for my code to really matter, so I think that will be fine for now. Right, so anyways, let's do this. Oh yeah, okay, so I know what I want to do, so Cascar Nostro. Alright, great. So, there's still quite a few things we have to do with this. So I fixed it so that now if I want to buy rosemary, it says buy rosemary over here, or paprika, buy paprika, all that stuff. But there are like a few problems with this. It tells me at port 116, that's the right number, so like 139 is at port here, so 139 is there. Space 189. Salt, 108 barrels of salt here, 108 barrels of salt. Okay, good, great, right? And if I hit half, 54 is half of 108. Okay, good. And now there's only 54 at the port. And if we check here, there's only 54 in this column. Great. So, you know, the barrel's definitely transferred. The problem is that I just took those barrels without paying for them. The price of this is $34, within the range of 25 and $225. So yeah, I forgot to do that. I forgot to do payment. So let me look at this though. Kind of want to do like a, what do you think, like cost, or like up here, or down here. Probably down here actually. Yeah, let's do it that way. Okay, so anyways, that's kind of where we're at today. Yeah, how much it costs, yeah. Yeah, I think costs, or whatever should go below the OK button. Because I don't have any more room on the pop-up window. So yeah, that's kind of what we're gonna do. That's what's on our agenda for today. So I got a lot of stuff open. Let's just close all our windows. Close all. Same here. Let's close all. Starting fresh. So the first object that I think we should look at, I suppose, is the button that you click on to buy stuff. Button buy. Okay, SCR buy barrel. We also want to look at game states, I think. Let's take a look at game states. Okay, and then over here in our scripts workspace, let's look at SCR by barrel. So earlier I had a problem with this variable being wrong, and for some reason it was just off by 5, so I just minus 5 and now it's pulling the right thing. I don't know why I had to minus it by 5, but whatever. Okay, well anyways, so actually I don't need to look at the script. I do need to look at actually, okay, so we need to look at this script, and this script changes button OK, the my mode to 5. Alright, so let's do this. Button OK is the button that actually, like, everything else sets it up, but button OK does the work. So let's look at button OK, which has a huge number of responsibilities actually. So the script is scr_OK deposit, which is a bad name because it does way more than depositing now. Okay, scr_OK deposit. That's the script we want. Let's look at that. Alright, oh, whoa, sorry, I neglected the chat. I got a lot of real work today, so I'll be in and out. It costs a lot, what the fuck. By the way, Bitbucket is what I use, and they do 5 private repros if you care. Also, your space available didn't go down when you purchased, FYI. Oh, yeah. Yeah, space, you're right. You're right. We need to fix... space available first. Let's do that first, actually, before we worry about the money. Until when the live is, I have to go with my dogs. Usually 1 to 2 hours. Okay, so yeah, let's go. Anyways, OK deposit. We do need to update how much space is available. So that's over here. Case 5, mode 5 means buy a spice. I'll probably be back then. Bye. Okay, bye. See you, pig. Okay, how many barrels do I already have? Yeah, I don't know. Add quantity to the boat. Oh, that's right. Here's the problem. I'm not updating current barrels, so I need to update current barrels. Let's look at OBJ my barrels. So OBJ my barrels, which I think has, yeah, G current barrels, some barrels, if bar barrels, zero, SCR some barrels, my barrels. Okay, so it checks the grid and, well, it sums the grid. Okay, so as long as we directly change values in the DS grid, yeah, alright, we should be fine. So all I need to do then is invoke user event 0. So invoked by scr_OK deposit mode 5. Okay, so going back here with obj_my barrels event user 0 update current barrels. Some barrels, yeah. Because, yeah, what it does is it says, hey, this temporary variable is equal to whatever you return when you sum the barrels. And if that number is less than the max barrels, which... Why does that... Shit. Hold on a second. Why does that feel off to me? No, max barrels. Okay, good. For some reason I thought I was using a different variable name. Okay, so yeah, that should work. So if 10 barrels, if the print number plus current barrels is greater than the max barrels, then we have to reduce it. Okay. So let's check this one change out just to make sure it's all good in the hood. Alright, I'm gonna zoom through this. So right now we have 11 barrels. Oh god, hold on a second. No barking, okay. Okay. Oops. Alright, let's test. Oh, whoops. Yeah. Okay, let's test this out. 139 barrels of rosemary, sure. And I've got space for 189 of them. I'm gonna buy them all. Okay, cool. Space updated. And if we exit, yeah, look at that. 150 out of 200 barrels. Okay, so that user event, whoops. That user event works just fine. So cool, fixed. We just have to keep current barrels updated. You know what, let me test one more thing though, because I want to make sure that I can't go over capacity. 160, alright, 6 out of 160, that's because it's a different boat. Alright, so let's buy all the rosemary, and so we only have 15 space available here. 121. Okay, interesting. So it didn't take all 121. It only took the 15 that I had. So even if I do this, it won't allow it because space is 0. Cool. So now if I exit, all right, I maxed out on barrels. Okay. Whoops, I just resetted the room. Okay, so I need to do something with the OBJ mouse cursor, actually. Didn't update your number of barrels. Also, don't forget, you can't buy more than you have room. Yeah, I just fixed that, man. Didn't you see? Okay, so hold on, so mouse cursor escape. So instead of room restart, game exit, game end, please, thanks. There we go. So hard to read anything on that screen. Maybe your monitor is too small? Or, well, you're not full screening it, so Oh, well, yeah, you're probably not full screening this feed, so okay. All right. So, anyways, yeah, let's close that. That's the only change I want for mouse cursors. I should be able to exit the game when I hit escape. Okay, so that's working. So now we need to do the thing where we actually charge money for it. This is so all done. Repay shark. Modify means right. Buy a spice. How many barrels do I already have? I think I should first ask. Yeah. Do I have enough money? So I'm gonna create a bar called subtotal, which equals hold on a second. Right, okay, so it equals obj underscore print number, no. Input cache dot print number, which is the quantity of the barrels that we're purchasing. And we're going to multiply that by hold on. We need a second var actually. So var underscore cost equals ds grid get where should we get this from? We could get it from the market grid, or we could get it from local market. Hold on a second. I want to look at the market grid really quick. Yeah, local market. Okay, so let's get it from local market then. Local market.mycosts. All right, so because I don't like pulling things from var cost equals obj underscore local market dot my costs, which is an array, and we're gonna stick we're gonna pull from the spice to buy slot of my costs. Go forth and make it work well. Why do you not use the DS grid accessors? Oh, simple. Because I don't understand how to use accessors. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So should return the cost of the spice associated. Alright, so now we can come up with a subtotal by just multiplying our print number by cost. And then we need to ask ourselves if subtotal is greater than obj underscore my ledger, or is it my dang. Let's look at both these objects actually. I'm a little worried about, oh, you know what, my purse is actually just not well named, but it's not a big deal of an object. Or yeah, my purse. It's just the thing that draws. Yeah, show how many caches. How many cash? Show how much. Show how much cash you have. Which it gets from my ledger. So my ledger is the source of your cache. Okay. It's simple. Basically, instead of dsgrid get you just do grid name. Oh, okay. I'll try that from now on. Can do with set too. Oh, wow, really? Huh, okay. Cool, well, yeah, good. Now I don't have to type out function names, I guess. Okay, so, yeah, we've got cache here, right. So, yeah, so, basically, so yeah, if subtotal is greater than obj myledger dot cache. Yeah, straight up cache. What should the consequence be if the subtotal is greater than cache? Oh. Oh, seriously? Damn. Okay, well, when I polish up the code. Okay, well, I'll use accessors from now on, but I'm not gonna clean up the functions yet. Later on down the road I will. Although, we could try it now with, well, no, that's fine. So, instead of dsgrid get, yep, you can do most of the ds. Hold on a second. So, dsgrids, accessors, so dsgrid. So the grid name, and then you put that hashtag there, and then the x position and the y position. So, all right, we'll do this. Whoops. Like that? Was that proper syntax? Okay, cool. Alright, we'll start doing that from now on then. Okay, so what should... Well, obviously it shouldn't proceed with the transaction. I mean, I guess I could just have it exit. I could have it change print number to 0. I'm worried that if I hit exit... Well, I don't know, let's try it. Yeah. Stop executing. Like, don't proceed with the transaction. Does this cost too much? So one thing though that's going to be kind of hard to test this with is there's nowhere in here that like advertises how much money I have. So I would need to create an object that like spits out how much money I have. You're not going to reuse cost. You can just do it directly. Well, I mean, I use it. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, okay. I'll just do that. You're right. So if I do that... Okay. Yep. So this is QTY times cost. Like, yeah. Yep. Okay, so we just don't proceed with the transaction. I need to make a, I need to make something somewhere that shows how much cash I have left. So it's not header text, it's not spice names. Is it header text? I don't think it's header text, yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, so here, something like cash. These need to be, whoops. Move these up, there we go. So, well, we can do that. And then here, we could put how much cash we have. Should be something like 10,000. Okay, so this is roughly at 512 by 32, and it's 60 by 10. And this is 512 and 48, and it's 60 by 12. Okay. So, although it wouldn't be able to handle that many more digits, in fact, I don't think it would handle another digit, and it's entirely plausible that you would have like maybe 6, maybe even 7 digits of cache in a playthrough. So this actually needs to be bigger, and this thing needs to be smaller or moved to the side or something like that. So sorry, I'm messing around with like basically UI shit right now, and I probably shouldn't be, but oh, right. Sorry. Okay, so let's do that. But yeah, okay, god damn it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a new object in the market. Create object, obj underscore market wallet. Man, what the hell should this thing be called? Okay, market info text. Alright, so I want this thing to be, should it be a parent, or should it be parented to anything? Parent column title, market. Maybe even my purse, which is in the port. Actually, nah. It should just be its own thing from scratch. So, let's go back up here. Alright, so, market info text. Let's add an events, create, init var. Print cache equals this, and actually let's do this. Let's call it label 1 equals this. And label, no, value 1 equals that. Actually, so tester, and then let's do that. Okay, so we're gonna add a draw event. Draw text, and literally all it does is it's just going to draw value 1 and then value 2 below it. So the first thing I want to do is have a var called height, which equals, well, okay. Let's all right. So first we're gonna blank that out. Draw set font. Let's get this workspace up. Close all windows. What fonts we got? Dougal 50. That's way too big, obviously. So let's do. Let's create a new font. Create font. FNT Dougal 20. Dougal size 20. Anti-aliasing off. So that's its real size. That's still pretty big, but I think that'll work as long as I create a smaller one after that. So let's duplicate that. Open her up. I'll say Dougal 16, and we'll change that to 16. Kind of some weird artifacting there in between the B and the C. Whatever. 14? Yeah, let's go with 14. Dougal 14. Okay. So we got some new fonts. Alright. Let's see if anything going on in Slack. No? Okay. Okay, so we're gonna draw set font FNT underscore Dougal 20. And our var height equals string height. What's the extended version give us? This function will return the height in pixels of the input string, taking into account the line separation and line break width, which is defined as the number of pixels that the string can occupy before a line break is inserted. It is very handy calculating distances between text elements based on the tallest of the letters to make all the strings. Draw text extended. Currently to find out separation of which can also be set to -1 for each. I'm not sure I need the extended version, really. Yeah, okay. I just need plain old string height. Label 1. Okay. So alright, now we're going to draw text. Should probably draw set color to C black for now. Oops, not C. Well, color. Let's just go with color black dark. Draw text. And actually, maybe let's do a draw set alignment. Draw set H align to FA center. Okay. draw text, X, Y, label 1. Okay, now we're going to draw set font to FNT Dougal 14. We're going to draw set. I just realized there's one other thing. There's another var that we're gonna need. Var underscore width equals string underscore width label 1. Okay, yeah, because what we want is we want this to be middle aligned, you know. But we don't want this to be middle aligned, and we don't want it to be left aligned, because then it's just going to build numbers towards the exit. We want it to be right aligned, so it needs to build numbers like this direction, right? It needs to, oops, god damn it. It needs to build numbers this way. Shift blob, delete. It needs to build numbers this way, right? Instead of this way. So it needs to start here and work its way this way. So that's actually FA right. But that means that I need to find this x coordinate, and this x coordinate is going to be, well, you'll get it. You'll understand. So let's see here. Is anyone watching this thing? Yeah, just 2 people watching, no big deal. Okay. So we got our width of label 1. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw set H align to FA right. And then we're going to draw text. Okay, anyways, draw text. We're gonna do x plus width and y plus height. And then we're gonna draw label 2. Alright. That's it. That's our draw event. So let's throw that in. The header text layer. Come on. How come I can't block or unlock shit? What's going on in here? Rooms, room market. Okay, good. All buttons. Header text. Let's unlock that. Zoom in. Alright, let's drag in. This is going to be kind of hard to place because, to be honest, I don't know. This is going to be, it doesn't have a sprite for me to like block it out or whatever. Market info text. We'll try right there, I guess. We'll see how that works. I don't know. Okay, let's test this out. I mean, we're not done with it yet, obviously, but we just need to know that we're on the right track. Label 2, not set. Oh. Not set before reading it. Did I not? Oh, whoops, 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 whoops. It should be value 1. My bad. Value. Okay. Oops. Label 1, label 1, label 1. Okay, great. Oh, the music stopped. Hold on a second, guys. Let me get some more music going on. Relaxing music from Donkey Kong. Relaxing music from... hold on. Let's... Videos. Paper Mario. Metroid. Super Mario. It's a little played out, but fine, we'll do this. Nah, I don't want to listen to Zelda music. Alright, let's just go with the old standby. Alright, getting back to business.
What are you doing?
Just looking at the world and writing a piano piece.
Oh yeah, can I hear it?
Okay, well, that's a bit off. Also larger than I anticipated on the screen. Damn it. That's way too big. Let's go back here. Let's make some smaller doogles. Let's duplicate. Oops. Size 10. Let's call it Doogle 10. Okay, and then back here, we're going to set the font to Doogle 14 and Doogle 10. Hi, Pig. Okay, so we need to know how much cash we have in the market. That's what we're doing. Okay, so my alignment understanding was way off, but we're just gonna play anyways. Right now, cash on hand is 10,000. Okay, tester, no. Well, maybe X is right. And maybe I don't need width at all. I thought I did, but I guess not. That can't be right. Well, huh. Hold on, what are my options here? FA right, and then there's... That just... FA left? Nothing is final. Everything is placeholder. That's my mantra. Okay, well, that looks more like what I want, but...
She was the one for you. October 21st, 1975.
I mean, that's closer.
Oh, yeah. Daily game. Sitting in the bar waiting for the game to start. What's this guy?
Something's not right. Like, what happens if I increase it by another digit? What about the animals? Nothing is final. Everything is placeholder. Okay, so it goes further out that way. So if I do FA right, I will probably, towards the end of development, keep the animals, but make them more animated / lively. Okay, so like, I'm happy with the way they're designed, but they they don't move or anything when they should be moving. Okay, and there's FA right, but that's okay. I kind of need to, like, all right, let's do this. 99999. Whoops. That's value 1. And in draw text, we're going to SCR_currency. Currency format. I think it's 0, 0, 3, value 1. Is that right? It's not yelling at me, so it's here. Oh. Okay. So I need to put value 1 at the front. And I think it's 003. What's my thousands separator? Thousand separator. Yeah, okay. Whoops. Okay, so we're going to do that. And then we're going to add an event. Key up, keypad plus, and all we're going to do is value 1 plus plus. All right, let's test this out. Okay, no problem. Alright, so that's totally the wrong way it needs to build. Let's do FA left. Whoops. I don't think FA left is right either. I think FA right is the direction I want to go. I'm just not placing it correctly. I'm gonna add a key up. Keypad minus, and we're gonna say value 1 minus minus. Alright, hold on. One more time from the right side. Or from right alignment. Okay, well, that actually, okay, yeah, so right alignment is correct, but the X placement is bad. So what about X plus, width divided by 2? Let's try that. Because when I did X plus width, it was way too far. Yeah, okay. That seems fine. Alright, now we just need to move it, because that's way too close to his head. Let's move it there.
I really miss you.
Maybe a little bit more. Okay. Alright, now let's change one other thing. Let's make, instead of tester, we're gonna have this say cache.
Miss you.
Oh, I know what my problem is. Hold on. We put a space in here, which I'm accustomed to doing, but we actually, in the context that we're doing this, we don't want to put a space there. So I think this will look a lot better. Let's take a look. Yeah, okay, that's right. That's perfect. Okay. I don't know that black is the right color for that, so maybe let's change it to white. Light. but everything else is fine. So I'm gonna delete these events. Can't delete event or remove event. I can cut event. There it is, delete event. Okay. So that's good, but now we need to actually assign label 1 and value 1 to something else. So in the room, alright, so we're gonna just put this as test, but in the room, for the creation code of this, we're gonna say label 1 is equal to cache and we're going to say value 1 is equal to obj underscore my ledger dot cache. That was fast. Okay, so now that we've assigned that in here in this room, we now have an object that we can reuse later on and just change what it needs to say specific to the room, which is a trick which is a practice that I've done multiple times throughout this game. 1 second, gotta get more coffee.
I miss talking to you.
Wow, okay. That's good. You know, for water conservation, I guess. Alright, so if we run this, we should see our actual cache. Yeah, there it is. Okay, cool. Seems like a good size and all that stuff. Alright. So now that we can see our cache, we can close that now, I think. So there's button OK. Let's take a look at our scripts. Ah, right, alright, so don't proceed with the transaction. Okay, well, let's run this again and see, like, on an iPad I forget a lot of things. Okay. Alright, so let's buy some rosemary. Well, it didn't show. It's weird. Oh, I didn't actually do any subtraction. Okay, so else, let's subtract my cache. So obj underscore my ledger dot cache minus equals subtotal. Yeah, right, let's do that. It's still not really advertising or telling us, you know, how much the cost is. So I should probably build something that shows us that, obviously. But let's do this. So we're gonna buy all the rosemary. The cache and change up here. Oh shit. Right. It didn't change because we're not done with that other object. So we need to mark the info text. Alright, this only does its thing in the create event. And in here, this only does its thing in the create event. Which is a shame because now I need to figure out a way how to update it. Get it to update itself. Yeah, it's in the create event. Yeah, that's why, yeah. Yeah. So how can I? I need it to update in the step, but I manually set the value in the room creation code, instance creation code. So, like, man, I wish there was a refresh function. Step is your refresh. Yeah, but I don't know. I don't think you guys understand. Like, all right, let's see. Let me copy this. Those two things are different. But because the object might be used for different purposes depending on the room. Okay, well, maybe I'll just... Yes. obj_myLedger is persistent and in charge of holding cache liquidity. I am, you fool. Oh. Yeah, but if I do it in the draw, then this object is only useful in one room in the entire game. I want this object to be multi-room useful. Oh my god. Never mind. Okay, I figured it out. So what we're gonna do in the step event, eval and update. So we're gonna run a switch on room. And we're gonna say case rm_market1. And then if that's the case, we're gonna do this. Break. That's it. That's the only case we actually need right now. So let's try that out. Well, now watch the stream. I literally just did that and came back here to see what you would say. Okay, well, I guess good thing to, alright, let's do this. Gotta check my chat down here. Still not updating how many barrels you have. Quiet, you. Okay, barrels 6 out of 60, 6 out of 160. Alright, reading this. Yes, I realize the dialogue is way off. I'll fix that later. Alright, so let's buy some rosemary. Let's buy all of it. What? That should have updated. Value 1, draw text. Value 1. Oh, well, no. Yeah, equals object ledger my cache. Am I not changing object ledger my cache minus equals subtotal? Huh. Still not working. Did you even change the cache car? Cache car? Alright, here. I'm gonna make a show debug message. Show debug message. Transaction complete. Okay. You know what? I think I know what. I think I might know what's going on. Maybe it's more cash than I have. Although I don't think so. I think it. Show debug message. Transaction failed. Okay, we're gonna add these two debug messages and see which one happens. Are you? Okay. Transaction complete. It's not minusing it at all. It's still 10,000. So this isn't. This doesn't work. Not working. Why? Oh, okay. Subtotal 0? Okay, we're gonna run the debugger and figure out which of these is a liar. Oop. Okay, wait a minute. Oh no, those are costs. Oh shit. Yeah, these numbers are all 0 because it's my cost to me as the captain, not... God damn it. Okay. Okay. Whoops. My bad. Alright, so... not the right number, not the right variable to use at all. Let's go back to, okay. Okay. I figured it out. Is the wrong variable. That's the price I paid for a barrel, not the cost of the barrel in the market. Hence, yeah. Let's find that value now. Okay, so we need to go to the... not here. So let's go to market, let's go to market grid. And that is under price here. So that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Price here. Column 4. So it's the local market, my prices. This is the variable that I want. So let's go back here. Times local market, my prices. The slot is still the same. That's not changing. Okay, let's try this again. Yeah, there we go. Subtotal is 1600. Yeah! It worked. Okay. So we bought up all the rosemary. Let's buy up all of the... That's way too low. This is pretty good. Time. Let's buy time. Let's buy all of it. Cool. What's next? Well, yeah, really. Sugars... That's pretty low. There's probably better, though. Current price of 60 out of... Between these two. Alright, let's buy all that. Haha! I can't buy it because I don't have enough cash. Transaction failed. Failed. So yeah, if I do this, transaction failed. Okay, rad. It's not communicating to the user why it's failing, which is bad. But I mean, that's fine. I haven't built that yet, so... Okay. What are you throwing into that table? I love the group name, tech stuff. Such a good name. Yeah. Got it. Do you speak when you type? When you're not streaming too? When I have a hard problem, I do speak it out sometimes, or use paper/pencil. I keep paper pencil on the PC all the time for problems. When I use touchscreen and stylus, so I often definitely. I used to keep a handheld whiteboard nearby. Still do keep it near, but now that I live stream, I pretty much talk all the time. So I don't need the whiteboard as much. Okay, cool. So now we're... Alright, things are popping. Now our cash transactions are either working or not working when they're not supposed to work. So that's good. Cool. Okay, well, damn. I guess now it's time... Well, no. I should... No, hold on a second. No barking. Okay, so... Okay. Alright, so, okay. Alright, so cool, we got that done. So save it. We're not going to commit anything. I'll commit stuff at the end of the stream, and we can see how that works. I think now we need to make sure, we need to have it so, oh, no, that's right. Alright, so the next order of business is we want you to be able to see this subtotal value. So I kind of think that Let's create a new object just for that. So your market info text. Yeah, let's. All right, let's create an object. Obj underscore. Market costs, and it's parented by market info. Okay, market cost. So. Alright, in the create event, oh shit. But I do need to advertise the subtotal to the user. Transactions can be easily undoed. You'll see. Okay, so the step event actually, oh man. You know what, this, I don't want this to be parented. I'm gonna delete this object. I'm gonna duplicate this object. And instead call it market okay show okay show money. That's what this thing is going to be called. Yeah, you will be able to just sell it back. Yeah, so no need to bother pester the user with "Are you sure?" Okay, so anyways, in the create, that's fine. Hold on a second, guys. I need to go to the bathroom. Hold on, guys. One second. I'll be right back. Just a second here. Okay. Yeah. I'm trying to do a better job. Okay, so, alright, so we're gonna call it OK Show Money. Alright, so, we can keep these test values, but we do need to change the switch. So, Glass, you're the best at naming things. Everything I said until now. And mouse plus moose. I'll try to stay classy. Okay, whoops, my mouse kind of just died. There we go. Okay, so, that was a whole lot of nothing for a long time. Oh, okay, 4 people. Crazy. Alright, so here in the switch, we don't want, obviously, to do a switch on the room. What we want is a switch on button OK dot my I think it's my mode. Can I look at this object really quick? Button OK, my mode. Yes. My man. No, not market info text. Show money. Oh, whoops. This object is in workspace 2. I don't want workspace 2. There we go. Okay. Cool. So, case 5, do stuff. We're gonna do stuff. And that stuff is, oh, right, label 1. Equals cost. Value 1 equals SCR underscore currency format of oh man, okay, so var subtotal equals, well, fuck. Go back here. Where's our script? Okay, deposit Yeah. Basically, we want this number again. So let's get that number. Yeah. So I'm going again. I know I go a lot, but this time I won't come back for this stream forever. I think that's a cry. No, that's triumph. What? That doesn't read as triumph. That's what I meant, I guess. It's not a very good, like, cry. That's, I guess, anguished? Sob, okay. Okay, cool. Alright, anyway, so, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show our subtotal 0, 0, 3. Yeah, let's do that. And under draw text, we're going to use Dougal 10 for both of them. No barking. Okay, no barking. Oh, it's El Loki. Hi. Pig person had to leave. Okay, so yeah, Dougal 10, Dougal 10. We're gonna do another one. Let's do my color, and let's do color. Where are you? Let's do color white dark, and then under this step event, we're gonna do this. My color equals color. And we'll do red dark, and that way when we draw, we just do this. So when the context changes, the color will change as well. I'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, no problem. Okay. So I think that's fine. Or at least, yeah, I think that'll be fine. Case 5. I just realized. Okay, so we need to do one other thing. So if obj underscore button dot visible is equal to true, visible equals true. Else visible equals false. And then the create, we need to say visible equals false. Okay. Alright. Next thing I want to do is I want to know how big. Is it under bank? No. Buttons. 46 by 46. Alright, so let's do this. Under OK button, if you can believe it, we're gonna saddle OK button with even more responsibilities. Alright, so alright, yeah, hold on a second. Let me think for a minute here. Sorry guys, I'm just thinking. I'm staring at my code thinking about something. So here's what I'm thinking about. When the OK button shows up in the market room, it shows up because the quantity of barrels that are being transacted is greater than 0. Which means that there's some sort of money value to be displayed. And so I want that money value to display underneath the OK button. The problem is that I have either this create event at the beginning, like when the instance is created, which is at the beginning of the room, pretty much, because I'm pretty sure the pop-up button creates it, but it's visible off. Or during the step event, which is every frame, but if you instance create something in the step event, you're gonna have serious issues, serious problems. So, I think I need to add a user event here. Other user event 0. And create show money. And what it's just going to do is instance create layer. And we're going to do X is fine. It's going to be Y plus 50 for the location. The layer ID, I think, is going to be, header text. Header text in a string, right? Let's just double check this. 4 people watching, alright. Yeah, you put it in quotes, so it has to be a string format. So, header text, and then the object is obj underscore OK show money. And
It'll be alright.
okay. There's another thing I should do, which is obj pop-up. pop down. Now that I've done that, so with obj underscore okay show money. Actually, I don't need to do with. I just need to do instance destroy. Obj underscore okay show money. I want to destroy these things if, like the text thing, if it's no longer useful. Like if it's no longer relevant. And it's no longer relevant when you're popping down, when you're canceling your transaction or you're done doing your transaction. So, yeah, so anyways, just doing that as a precaution. So we're going to instance create in this event, and we're going to instance destroy in this other event. User event 0 invoked by str underscore okay deposit. So let's go to that script, okay deposit, and case 5, mode 5. We're going to do user event user 0, which is create show money object. Okay, cool. So that should work, I think. I kind of feel bad for you guys because it's probably hard to really follow my train of thought on how or what I create, and I'm not really sure how valuable that is from an audience's standpoint, because you're really just watching a dude. You're kind of just watching a dude like, ah, fuck, it didn't work. It should be right here. I wonder if it's there and it's just not visible. Let's go to... Or is it not creating it? Here, let's go into market and just drag one of these in the header text. Like just right here. Just to see, like that's obviously not ideal, but we just need to know if it would work in like there was a problem with the way I'm instance creating. Okay. Cost, not a number. Wow, it's dividing by 0. Why would it do that? Okay, but it's showing up there. So something about oh, I bet you. Hold on. And then it went away. Oh, wait, why did this thing go away? Oops, let's do a different spice. Yeah, I don't know what to make of that. No need for a user event if it just creates an instance. Why call a user event to create an instance when just creating an instance? Let's do this one. Okay, button. Yeah, also, I just realized that SCR_OK deposit only triggers when the button is pressed. So running instance create inside that script makes no sense. Okay, so I need a different. So I don't think, to be honest, I don't think that the OK deposit is the right object to create this thing. So let's go back here. Let's go to button OK. We're gonna delete this event. We're gonna go to our script here, and we're also going to delete this line. We're not gonna use this script to create our thing. Yeah, I mean, we only do so. Okay, well, so if room equals rm_market1. Instance create. Oh, but this is a step event. You don't want to do this in a step event. Okay, so yeah, you know what? This button is not appropriate for this type of action. Let's look at obj pop-up and consider that one. So okay, I think I got it. Here's what we're gonna do. We're going to do obj and then a step event here. We're gonna say that x equals obj_OK button OK dot x. We're okay. We can get away with this because there's only one instance of button OK in the room, and yeah, y is equal to obj_button OK dot y plus 50. Yeah, okay, so now in pop-up, we are going to instance create. Yeah, there. Yeah, this is gonna make way more sense. All right, so instance create layer. The x and y actually kind of technically don't matter, but let's just do bbox right for the x. I don't know, bbox bottom for the y. Again, these two values are going to update real fast. After they're going to change real fast afterwards, so I don't think that matters. This does though. So we're going to put header text, and then it's going to be obja underscore okay show money. Okay. Alright, sorry, just had to respond to something here. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. Uh-oh. Okay, so... Oh yeah, okay, right. Alright, so, we're gonna try that out instead. And this makes sense too, because I'm also destroying this instance with the same object. So there's no like one object creates but another object destroys. Like that, there's a certain elegance to that that I like. So yeah, let's go back to room market. We'll destroy this object. And we're gonna hit play. Cool. I don't understand why it's saying not a number though. Like I'm not doing any division. Also, the alignment's way off. Well, let's look at this object. We need to obviously make some... Clearly we need to make some changes. So for draw text, let's keep it just FA left for both of them. And then what is wrong with... Did I get this number? It doesn't separate our string. Zero, zero, three. Maybe that was it. I just had an extra space. Also, I don't like this red. Let's go with light. Yeah, let's try that. I think maybe it was just the space after the zero that screwed it up. Because I mean, I'm not dividing anything. What the hell? Not a number. It should just be 139 times 12. Or 12. No, yeah, 139 times 12. Time to run the debugger. This thing is still kind of garbage because like I'm selecting stuff, right? This thing should be highlighting with. God. Okay. So instead I have to like button things around. Okay, show money. Whoops. No, I don't want to. Why would I ever want to? God. Can I drag this into here? Like. Okay, whatever. God. Value 1,000. Cost. That looks right. So what's the problem? Oh, god damn it. Okay, I know what the problem is. I'm doing this, I'm running SCR currency format twice in a row. God. So... yeah, close that. I forgot to simplify, so because I'm doing it in the step, I don't need to do it in here. So I just do value 1. Yeah, okay. It's trying to pass a string into currency. Yeah, alright. Hi pig, bye pig. Okay. Okay, cool, awesome. Seems like that X address is... Oh, I know why. Okay. So let's just do this. There we go. Bye-bye. Okay, so... Yeah, there we go, that's good. Yeah, alright. I don't think I like this red, like, I don't think it... First off, it's a little... It has a weird contrast with the brown behind. And secondly, it's a little too alarmist, like the cost is a little too alarmist. So, let's close that. Let's change... What other colors we got here for our text? Yeah, do we have a yellow? Let's do yellow light. Let's try that. Yeah, that's better actually. Oh, whoops. Well. Which is more cache than I have, also more space than I have. And I can't do it. Okay, cool. I have an idea. Workspace 2. OBJ underscore, okay, show money dot my color equals color red hot. Get out of my head. Ah, darn, it's not working. I wonder why that didn't work. Well, yeah. Wait. But I'm not switching the color in the draw. I am in the switch, or sorry, step. Not in the draw. Step, yeah. Okay, I think I got it then. We're gonna X that out, and we're gonna go to pop-up, and we're going to say obj underscore, okay, show money dot my color. I was laughing on the inside. Okay, so yeah, so that works. But I want to do this, so let's copy this. Let's go to obj underscore button OK. And on left release, we're going to reset position and color. So with, well, switch my mode. Case 5. With obj underscore OK show money. You know what? I don't think we need a with statement for this. Okay, let's try this again. Because I want it to go back to yellow. Let's buy all the saffron. Hey, there we go. How about that? That works great. Yeah, exactly. Anyways, how's that look? Looks okay, right? Red if it's too high, and yellow once you let go of the button. No, I didn't. That's exactly what I wanted.
It's difficult to understand the sum of a person's life.
It should be red as soon as the cost is too high. Oh.
Some people can be measured in faith. Some say by love. Other folks say life has no meaning at all.
Okay. Okay. Alright, let's get rid of that. Actually, let's get rid of this. Okay, so let's do that. Well, I don't want to like just cut it. Let's go back here. Let's close that object.
Me, I believe that you measure yourself by the people who measure themselves by you. What I can tell you for sure is that by any measure, every poet lived more in his last days on earth than most people managed during our lifetime. I know that when
Okay, so
his eyes are closed and his heart is open.
if underscore subtotal greater than obj underscore my ledger dot cache. Else color equals color yellow. Okay, let's try that out. And that was out loud. So, what the fuck? Go get beer for Christ's sakes. Okay. Alright, let's buy as much saffron as we can get. No? Half the saffron? Hey, alright. 60. 61. 62. 66. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, 64 saffron, please. I have only 144 in cash. But I bought as much saffron as I could hold, so if we exit, we've got 70 barrels. Okay. Okay. This is good. Okay, cool. I am so hungry that I'm gonna end the stream here. But first, let's commit our changes. Alright, so I'm gonna save that. Source control. Commit changes. Yeah, so what did we get done today? Shit. So... market, buy, button, updates, current barrels. Market, buy, button, updates, cache. Market, buy, well, market room now shows cache in header. Market, market by shows cost subtotal when print when quantity is greater than 0. Cost turns red. Space management? Fuck. Cost turns red when there is not enough cash to transact. Okay, let's commit that. I don't know if anything happened, but if we go... we'll do that next time. Okay, cool. So there. Maybe I just refresh the page. Okay. Didn't see anything, but maybe if I push origin, push to origin. Yeah, 'cause I guess this is local. Okay. And now if I refresh this, okay, cool. Hey, it's working.
She's awesome. She's like everything that I could, really want in a girl. And so I pretty much told her exactly how I felt. And
Changes committed.
It feels like, man, like this is the first time in my life where I've actually
All right.
had the guts to go tell a girl.
See you guys later.